A wooden article was made by scooping out. As discussed, scooping out means hemispherical shape में से आपने कुछ बाहर लिया. Scooping out a hemisphere from each end of a solid cylinder as shown in the figure. If the height of the cylinder is 10 centimeter and its base radius is 3.5 centimeter, find the total surface area of the article. What we are given is, children? We are given a cylinder like this. It's 10 centimeter high. This is 10 centimeter in height. And from these two cylinders, cylindrical ends, hemispheres are taken out. This hemisphere is taken out from both the ends. And then the radius is given to be 3.5 centimeters. They are asking us to find the surface area of the remaining solid. See children, as I am showing you this cylinder, suppose this is a solid cylinder. In fact, let us take this to be a one solid cylinder. Though it is of two different colors, but let us assume this to be a one cylinder, right? Now we are going to take out a hemispherical scoop from both the ends. So suppose this becomes like this. Yes, beta? We have taken out. From this side, are you able to figure out any hemisphere? This looks like a curved surface of cylinder only. Hai na? From another end also, we are going to take this hemispherical. So can you imagine the figure now? Now I'm giving you this solid, this article is given in your hands and I'm asking you to paint. So which all area are you going to paint, children? Which all area?
CSA of cylinder.
Ma'am, curved surface area of cylinder
CSA of cylinder.
and ma'am, curved surface.
CSA of
Surface area.
CSA of two hemispherical ends. Is that so? Is that so, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
When we take the question of that gulab jamun cylindrical portion having hemispheres attached, that time also CSA of cylinder plus CSA of two hemispheres. And in this
Yes,
case
ma'am.
also, when we are making a depression, when we are making hemispherical depression, the logic is still the same, the area is still the same. We are going to find CSA and then CSA of two hemispheres. Is it going to be same, children? So it doesn't matter whether you are surmounting something or you are making a depression. The surface area remains same.
Same.
Can we find the surface area now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Radius R is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Height of cylinder is equal 10 centimeter. Okay. Now the question is, find the total surface area of the article. Now, the total surface area, that is TSA, total surface area of article is equal to CSA of cylinder plus CSA of two hemispheres. Now the formula for CSA of cylinder, children.
2 pi RH.
2 pi RH.
RH.
Plus 2 times CSA of hemispheres. 2 into 2 pi r square. We can take 2 pi r common. This 2r will be there. Let us put the values. 2 into 22 by 7 into 3.5. Then 10 plus 2 into 3.5 centimeter square. Okay. Now what is 2 into 3.5? 3.5 and 3.
7.
So this becomes 7 into 22 by 7. And this will be again 2 into 3.5 is 7. So 10 plus 7 becomes
17.
7 and
7 and
cancel.
7 cancel.
We multiply 22 into 7. If you want, you can use this trick of multiplying by 11. 22 can be written as 11 into 2. Now 2 into 17 is 34. This is if you want to apply that trick.
374.
374.
7 and then 3. Right? So that is how orally we can multiply using the trick.